Welcome to Partsbox, your trusted source for high-quality used auto parts. With 4 locations, 2 in South Carolina and 2 in Florida, we're committed to delivering top-notch components for your vehicle. Our process begins with sourcing totaled vehicles, which are carefully dismantled by expert technicians to salvage the highest quality components for our customers. Each part is thoroughly cleaned and inspected before being cataloged, photographed in high resolution, and stored safely on our shelves, ready for immediate purchase. Our detailed photos ensure you know exactly what you're getting before you buy. When a part is sold, it's promptly pulled from our inventory, expertly packaged, and shipped with care. We go the extra mile to ensure your parts arrive safe, protected from shipping damage. Our dedicated sales team is always available to assist with fitment questions, shipping inquiries, or any additional details you need to complete your purchase with confidence. At Partsbox, we take pride in providing a seamless and transparent buying experience from start to finish, ensuring you get the quality parts you need when you need them. Choose Partsbox, where every part has a purpose and every customer matters.